Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can make pie graphs in Canva. So first, when you're here in Canva, you can go to the Elements tab right here, and then you scroll down until you find Charts, and you click See All. And you scroll down again, and as you can see, here's the pie chart. You can just click on it. Here you go. And as you can see right here, you can change the label. I'm just gonna change it, for example, to A, and this one into B, and to C. Alright, so it has changed now. And if you want to change the color, you can just click on this. I'm gonna change it to red, for example. So the red has been changed. This one into pink, and this one into purple. And as you can see, it has changed. You can also change the format of the data. There are percentages and numbers, so you can change it to numbers, and you can change the data right here. For example, I'm going to change it to 30, and this one into like 1, and yeah, so basically you can change it. So yeah, and not only that, you can actually add text by going to the text here and add a text box. For example, this is the A1, so you can just like add another one here. So now you guys know how to make a pie chart in Canva. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.